Can you see this? Going. Crap. Till there we have to go, man. तो वो और टफ है इससे ना. अच्छा. See the bandage came off. Yuck, 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 yuck. Such a big boil. So this is the trail where stone pelting goes on. We have to clear this fast. जल्दीबाजी थोड़ा धीरे धीरे चल लो. अरे यार, look at this. Shit. Oh God. You can see where I'm sitting. There's no place to sit. Tomorrow we have to go somewhere there. And there's our base camp. So close, yet so far.
हम तो डंडा बोले.
भाई ये देखना, बैटरी लगा दे इधर ना, फोड़ा हो गया. ये लगाना पड़ेगा इस पे. इतना बड़ा फोड़ा हो गया.
और चल हीरो पर
क्या हीरो
भागे जा रहा है. तेज क्यों चल रहा है?
तेज का नॉर्मली तो चल रहा है.
तेज चल रहा है.
भाई से पूछ, मैं नॉर्मली चल रहा था, बस मैं रुक नहीं रहा था.
बहुत तेज चल रहा है.
ठीक है ये स्पीड.
ओ भाई मैं रुकूंगा, मैं और थक जाऊंगा.
एग्जैक्टली.
अब मैं जिस स्पीड से चल रहा हूँ, मैं तो ना भाग रहा हूँ, मैं तो
तेज चल रहा है.
धीरे धीरे स्टेप ले रहा हूँ.
तेज चल रहा है. पैर में जब जूते नहीं ट्रैकिंग
भाई वो आधा घंटा जब स्टार्ट हो रहा है तभी छिल गया था.
तो चिल्ले में फिर वही लगाना था तेरे को.
क्या?
बैंडेड.
अरे मैंने कहा जब रुकेंगे तब देखते क्या हालत है. अब मैं बैंडेड लगाता हूँ, देखता हूँ.
पहले छाड़ा फोड़ना पड़ेगा.
देखते हैं. देखना, ये ना लद्दाख के ट्रिप के लिए लाए थे. उधर तो काम नहीं आया, इधर ट्रैक कर रहे. तो ये डाल रहे पानी में, देखते हैं. क्योंकि ना बहुत
10 मिनट में निकलेंगे गाइस.
हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत मुंह बहुत सूख रहा है और ये हाइड्रेट कर रखेगा अपने को.
इसमें यही खराब पड़ती है, पता नहीं क्या लेके गिर गया क्या.
चलो.
ये ट्राइपॉड
नहीं ये मेरे साथ था.
2 कप एंड 2 कोल्ड ड्रिंक का 500.
फिर तूने कोल्ड ड्रिंक ले लीजिए बस.
2 कोल्ड ड्रिंक का 500 और
50 कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स का 75.
75. ठीक है. 2 कोक चाहिए. इसको ले जाना, आगे ले जाने दे. So it is 11:45 and I've already got burnt here. Should I put more sunscreen?
Oh हाँ, very sad. I'll put more sunscreen.
We should put ना.
मैं तो लगा रही हूँ.
हाँ, मेरे को भी दे यार. सनस्क्रीन लगाते हो. और 11:45 है. बस 5-7 मिनट में निकल जाएंगे इधर से. रेस्ट कर लिया मैंने, जूते पहन लिया. अब देखी जाएगी क्या है. वापस आते हुए चप्पल पहन लूंगा मैं.
मेरे से तो निकल जाता.
अब देखना पड़ेगा.
अभी तो फटा ही ना, छाले जब फट जाएगा
तब
वो स्किन जो उतर जाएगी, अंदर से रेड स्किन आएगी. वो एक पीस रगड़ लगते ही जान तेरी निकल जाएगी.
मैंने बैटरीन लगा दिया और उसके ऊपर मैंने वो लगा दिया बैंडेड.
वो तो ठीक है. फटना है, फटने के बाद सीने ना तब लगाना था बैंडेड.
चलो कोई ना, अब देखी जाएगी. अब अगर ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाएगा फिर तो चप्पल ही पहनना पड़ेगा. और मैंने ना एक और जूता था बूट, वो मैंने छोड़ दिया क्योंकि हैवी हो जाता बैग बहुत. तो मैंने कहा वैसे ही हैवी है, एक बूट से आना जाना कर लेंगे. अब क्या पता था ये सब हो जाएगा. एनीवेज, दिस द ट्रैकिंग वर्ल्ड. यू हैव टू गेट प्रॉपर शूज फॉर द ट्रैकिंग, लाइक व्हेन यू गो ट्रैकिंग. एंड दिस माई फर्स्ट. So let's see now when next I'll do my trekking. Chalo, let's see you on the road. Yeah, the music is started and we are set to go now. What is the time? It is 11:52 and we all set to go. Let's go ahead now and start our journey ahead for the next 2 hours. So see you soon. यार ये पहले गाने बंद.
ये देखिए गाइस ब्लॉग में
एंड्रू मार रहा है. ओह नाइस.
No, God, please, no, no!
ये
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
बहुत बढ़िया.
तेरा तो एक भी नहीं लगा.
मेरे को लगा
समझ गया बच्चे।
मैं तो 4 ही लग गए थे। और इसे बोला था मेरे को आता है।
एक और लगाता देख, ये भी जाएगा।
मुझे तो लगाना ही नहीं।
ये देखिए जाएगा बिल्कुल।
पास से इतने आगे खड़े होगे तो करेंगे। मैं
अबे साले
सीख लिया।
हाँ कर ले कर ले
आज चुप रह।
कर ले पहले।
फुट से पता नहीं कितना ही जीत जाएगा।
हाँ।
बात करो।
आगे से
आजा तू ले 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 इसको दे।
इसके आगे से तो
ले 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 कर। तू इधर से कर ले, इधर से करके दिखा। हाँ,
बेबी साइड हट जा।
कर।
हाँ
ये भी ब्लैक पे लगा है, मेरा इधर लगा
कुछ नहीं
बैठे।
होता।
हाँ।
ये
हाय हाय,
लग गया।
लूजर कर, लूजर।
लेकिन आगे से करोगे तो लगेगा भाई। आगे से कर रहे
तो
हो।
बीच में लगना चाहिए भाई।
बीच में क्यों
इधर
लगे?
से लगा रहा है, मैं इधर से लगा
तेरा
रहा
एक गिर गया, एक तो गिर गया, आगे से भी गिर गया भाई।
भाई क्या हो गया तेरे
आगे
को?
से भी गिर गया।
फिर मैंने किया। चलो मास्टर दिखाएगा।
मास्टर
सुपर फ्रेंड,
मास्टर सुपर फ्रेंड।
सुपर फ्रेंड। ऊपर से लग के नीचे।
वाह, नेपाल
ओए, नहीं भाई,
नेपाल में नहीं तुक्का लग रहा है, इंडिया में नहीं लगेगा ये। वहाँ से सीधा अंदर ही आएगा। ओह वाह, ओह वाह,
ओए वो तो लगा।
वही तो लग गया। अब मैं
अब
दिखाता
मेरे
हूँ
को
बच्चों
समझ आ गया इसका यार। मैं तो ऐसे ही लगा दूंगा इसको। ये देख, सुपर फ्रेंड के साथ दोस्त,
एक एक दिखा।
सुपर फ्रेंड के साथ लड़ाई।
वो दिख दिख कहाँ
सुलह होगी, सुलह।
वहाँ चली जाना कुर्सी पे।
0.5 पे दिखा देता हूँ यार।
ओह वाह,
ओ वेरी गुड।
और ये साइड
भाई ये लूजर है यार, बहुत गंदा वाला।
पीछे से लेकर
ये पास यार।
साइड से।
पर इसकी फ्रेंड का विनर है ना।
हाँ फ्रेंड, सुपर फ्रेंड जीत गई इससे।
5-5 करना।
हाँ
बेइज्जती।
A few moments later.
ब्लॉगिंग वाला वो होगा।
और ये कट के बाद सिसु वाला हम समझते थे ह्यूज है, ऐसी सेम है ना सिसु का सेम सेटअप है, ऐसी सेम डिट्टो सेम। ये नीचे ऐसे थोड़ा ऐसे रहता है, and then बीच में ऐसे थोड़ा ब्राउन रहता है, ऊपर वो रहता है। But then this is twice than सिसु,
हाँ,
twice
बहुत
than
ऊपर है
सिसु।
वो।
और वो हम पास से देखते हैं,
हाँ,
from somewhere there। ये तो दूर से देख रहे हैं।
you have to go there. चलो, so this is the status right now. It's only and only climbing right now. See, oh God, and don't know till when it's going to go on, because here I have a feeling that my another shoe is also going to start biting. The left one, right one though is gone. Oh, and I've gone very slow because of the shoe bite. Chalo, let's see till where this climb is. So this is another place we have stopped. Means we have finally reached here. It's halfway, I guess. See right behind me, beautiful, but very tough. Very tough to reach here. So we'll keep going. Can you see this? Going. Crap. Till there we have to go, man. Oh crap. Come on. We're going to reach there now. Another 10 minutes or so. I hope so. See, everybody is tired. Oh God. Chalo, let's reach there.
ऊपर से
हाँ
वीडियो करना अच्छा है।
हाँ पूरा करना
हाँ
सबसे ऊपर से।
ये दूसरी कार ऊपर से
हाँ चल
पीछे से पीछे ध्यान अच्छा है।
हाँ
वहाँ अच्छा है।
वो करना पड़ेगा मेरे को। वो मैंने देखा लोग कर रहे थे। ओए होए दिस इज वेरी स्टीप। And both my feet have got damaged. Both have got torn. 100%. Oh God. Don't know how will I make it to Tirichoka Lake or Ervi. Oh God, super tough. I don't know how much it's getting captured because of the breeze here. Oh, just look at this here. You must have seen the shot I just put. Oh, it's right at the edge of the mountain. So people come here, click their snaps and then go. Chalo, I'll also click 1 or 2 snaps. I'll get it to click. Come on. तो वो और टफ है इससे ना? अच्छा. Okay. Imagine this was so tough. He's saying that's tougher. Shit. And yeah, don't know how I'll make it there because both my feet are gone from the back. I feel like taking off my shoes, wearing slippers, but then he's saying like it's nice to normalize the climb, so one part will come, it will go steep down, saying there you can slip. So then now what to do? I have to bear the pain and take the gain. Chalo, see y'all. So अपडेट ये है कि 2 घंटा और लगेगा. अभी पूछा लोगों से जो आ रहे थे उधर से, 2 घंटा और लगेगा पहुंचने में. और हाँ, उधर से वापस आने के लिए टू गेट अ हेल्पर गाइड इट्स हार्ड. तो let's see, because I thought this gigantic bag I'll carry it one way, the other way I'll try and take help with them. So let's see, वो बाद में पता लगेगा. Oh, चलो, we'll take a water break now. Continuous walking. It's 1:15. So it's 1:28. Let me show you. 1:28. And how much I've gone? 3 hours. Now the watch is asking battery. So I'm going to charge it and let's see how much it works now. Okay. Gabby and all are nowhere to be seen. Let's see what time they'll reach here. Okay. This is a small spot we stopped here. No one is here, but it's so calm here, na? So nice. See the view. Yeah, I'm just sitting here and seeing the view. You also have a look. You're waiting for them, so I said, why don't I start speaking to y'all? See, yaar, I'm not doing this for y'all. I'm doing it for myself. But in the process, I'm showing you all everything what I'm doing. It's not like other influencers or whatever vloggers and all. जैसे वो तुम्हारे लिए कर रहे हैं और ये सब balls.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है.
Not doing for y'all. I'm doing it for myself, but yeah, I'm showing it to y'all so that y'all also can have the same experience as I am. Not the same, but yeah, you can have a glimpse of it. You can see what I'm going through, the path and everything. Yeah, I don't know if people have made this vlog of this full patch to the base camp because it's very hard. I don't know how people have not told anybody like they've not shown us. They've shown only the easy part of the trek, which is the descending part going down, which I'm going to start now. So, but till here, yaar, it was very, very hard, man. Up, very, very less. After 52 minutes, I think we got our first decline. Oh God, that was also not for a very long time. Anyways, both my feet are banged up. I don't know how I'm going to make it. I'm going on saying this again and again because I'm worried. If I'm going so far, I want to submit till I can't even say it properly. Yeah, whatever, yeah, the lake is, you all know, यार. क्या भैया दाई तिलोचा लेक क्या कहते हैं उसको? क्या लेक है नाम का? तिलचोक सॉरी तिलचोक ताल lake. So that's where is my final trip will get over. From there it's all the way down only. So I want to make it there because I know I'm never going to come back this side. So I hope so I make it. Rest, keep watching and enjoy because I am not enjoying because of my feet. But yeah, my fitness is perfect. That too I know now. Chalo na, I've seen the glimpse of them. Got the glimpse there soon enough. I can't see him only till now. Chalo, let them come, then I'm waiting. Mountain man has reached 12 minutes late. We are sitting here from 12 minutes and relaxing.
With what?
With what?
Tell them with what?
With what I'm relaxing?
With injuries.
What injuries?
Leg injuries on both the legs.
Now you
Running
see.
fast,
Now you see the
12
difference.
minutes, both the legs
You
are
see.
gone.
You see the difference.
Coming slow, 12
See.
minutes.
See the
Coming big,
difference.
fit and fine scratches.
We are waiting for you all.
No.
He said to wait. He said
Why is saying 12 minutes ahead?
because we are waiting from 12 minutes.
Because we'll walk slow.
You all are very slow.
Yeah. Because
And
we
this
want
is the
it
difference
to be good.
between going and doing proper fitness and this.
Yeah.
He
But
goes
I'm all fit and fine, scratchless.
scratchless. He wants to take baby steps, he's saying.
Yeah.
Baby
I'll
steps.
take baby steps. I'll take newborn baby steps. But I will be fit and fine.
You know, this is what I was saying.
Smoking, everything I'm enjoying, vaping, smoking,
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
listening
Wait,
songs,
don't-
singing songs. Here people can't
These
listen to
things
a word.
don't do, okay? What he's saying, he's talking all
Better
nonsense.
like this only.
Yeah, if something happens to you, na balls, you'll get any help.
You be in fear, I'll enjoy.
See, he doesn't have any responsibilities, so he can do what he wants
Even
just
if I
now.
have, I'll enjoy the best of my
We'll
time.
see. Does
I'll
now
not come here
to
daily to smoke one.
wait. You see, when you'll have responsibilities, then we'll
I've
talk.
come once in a lifetime, I'll smoke.
You'll be going to many more places.
This place once in a lifetime.
Chalo, let's see. See, the bandage came off. Yuck. Such a big boil. The bandage came out, so I put Betnovit. And I'm going to put this tissue here. And then put the thing. The same thing I'll be doing for the next row. So I don't know how big that one is. Chalo. So it's 2 o'clock. We are going to head out from here now. Half an hour break we took. I would put some putty on my bloody that you saw already. So let's head for the final stretch. Come on now, let's go. So this is the trail where stone pelting goes on. We have to clear this fast. Landslide area. Quite steep. Chalo, let's clear this yaar. Look at this yaar. What the hell is this? So it's going down. Oh shit. भाई जल्दीबाजी थोड़ा, धीरे धीरे चल रहा हूँ, धीरे धीरे चल रहा हूँ। इससे और आराम से कैसे करूँगा? ये तो पत्थर है, फिसली गई। ओह चलो, दिस क्लियर दिस यार। अबे यार, look at this. Shit. Oh God. It's like a mini version of a car or a bike trail. Oh. Oh. Crap. Oh God. You have to go very, very slowly on this. Very slowly. One slip, you go into this or down. But chalo, here they have railings at least. Oh crap, this is very steep. Oh. Yeah. Shit. It's very steep. This is the last stretch that you go straight down to the base camp. See from where we have come. All the way somewhere there at the back. We've covered all that and we've come here. And see where I'm sitting. There's no place to sit only. So Gabby and Nia, they have come. So now we'll carry on ahead. The first glimpse of bloody base camp. So base camp में नहीं हुआ तो क्या? भैंस की आँख. चलो, we're about to reach there. Bhai, my energy is fully going. When I reach there, then I'll do the vlogging. See yaar. See the view. Tomorrow we have to go somewhere there. And there's our base camp. So close, yet so far. See. Oh, chalo. Let's keep going.
One eternity later.
So we have finally made it to the base camp. What's the time? Can't see. It's 3:40 and we have done it in 5 hours and something. So Gabby and all are right there. I'll wait for them because we have to see which hotel we are staying in. Chalo, let's explore this place later. I'm trying to have water and sit down. Just look at this. I know. What is all this? All these souvenirs. नहीं, this है. yak है. अच्छा. Nice stuff, but yeah, naturally they'll sell it very expensive. चलो, see this all closed. Golden village is closed. Very quiet. See, चलो, trying to see where to stay. Then I'll show you. Very tired. Oh. Whoa! Finally made it. And after coming here, reaching here, so this is my energy I've got back. Okay, this is our hotel. Very reasonable. I'll tell you inside. I can't tell you openly. What a bag, man. मेरा bag खोल ले. Oh shit, chips तो उसी में रह गया था. Give him something else now. We don't have anything. Oh, I've got biscuits. Give him Parle-G biscuits. So this is our room. Very minimal. Okay, that's our bathroom. Very clean. Okay, morning our thighs are going to be tested.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
Okay, and this is the view from here, and it is only, you have to only pay for the food here. No money for the rent or tariff. Through someone known where we were staying, through him we got it done. Anyways, this is our view here. Just see here. Wow, we are surrounded by the Powder Mountains. The Powder Mountains have given me some energy now. And yes, so as I said, I did what I told you all I'll do.
Hats off.
My bag must be above 10 kgs, I think
Now
so.
new mountain man is here. I'm the old one.
It was very hard, I'm telling you. Towards the end, all my energy had gone. Then I didn't look at this place. I was only looking down and walking. I didn't have the energy to look. Though I was looking every time the same. Hey na? From there.
What?
This place is looking bloody the same from
only
there.
from there.
I said, Abhi to
Whole time.
And then towards the end, they were bloody shitty damn roads. What roads there? There's no roads and there's nothing.
हमने तो 2-3 पैच उतरे हैं, अभी वो जाते हुए चढ़ने हैं. पर मुझे सरके वाले थे.
तो चलो आगे का तो we'll tell you what we are going to plan. But yeah, this was epic. Now we are going to freshen up, rest, relax. And
माउंटेन की वजह से होता है ना, सिकनेस की वजह से भूख नहीं.
we all banged up just now. Okay, all of us are banged up. We are just going to order some tea or coffee or whatever, and
French fries
we'll eat some lunch or so. We've only had breakfast and we went.
and sauce.
हाँ, sauce?
French fries and
French fries. हाँ, कुछ तो अभी मंगवा देते
अलग से
हैं.
कुछ करेंगे.
पेट में ना दर्द हो रहा है.
मुझे तो भूख भी नहीं लग रही.
हाँ, भूख नहीं लग रही पर पेट में दर्द हो रहा है.
भाई सूप वगैरह खाना पड़ेगा कुछ.
So anyways, I hope you like this one, and I'm going to finish this vlog right here only right now, because I don't have the energy to show you all around everything. So maybe tomorrow I'll show you the view or whatever. I'll see, or if whenever I have some energy I'll show you. So I hope you like this one, and tomorrow is going to be a better one and more dangerous one and more hectic and more treacherous, more heavy, shatram, whatever you can say is going to be very, very hard tomorrow. But once we summit that place, we are done with this place, man. I don't know about them, but I'm done with this place. I'm not coming back here again. I'm not coming. So hope you like this one again, yaar. Now to at least yaar, subscribe and like. Leave one like for this yaar. Come on yaar. I'm so freaking tired. And the steps of the watch, my watch went off twice. See, it's dead. It's showing. Let me see if it can show. Because it was showing, it had got over. It's got reset. Anyways, this watch also is given up twice. So I can't show you the amount of steps, but yeah, it was 5+ hours to reach her, and I'm happy I've done it finally. People don't even make it here. So yeah, my mouth is fully dry. So let's order something, eat something, and see you tomorrow. Cheers. Boom boom. So this is our dinner. soup, fried rice, and French fries. I was going to end the vlog, but I said, "Chalo, let me just show you what we are eating for dinner." Because it's 5:30 and we are really exhausted. We'll eat this only, and even YY मंगवाया ना, कौन सा है वो? Current. It's Nepalese noodles 2x. So that we'll eat, and we'll rest here because super tired, and we'll not eat anything after this. We'll go off to sleep because tomorrow is a big day, and we need that rest.
No.
I'll tell you what this bugger did, yaar. I just got to
Tomorrow-
know. You know, I told him that today, na, before sleeping, I'll take a painkiller. Chamu here is saying before I started my trip, I took a painkiller. And he's saying that's why I'm fresh.
That's what wise people do. Wise experience.
If you were wise, you didn't have to tell us that you'll also
मैं
take
तो
one.
बोला था सुबह
किसको बोला?
इसको बोला था खा ले
नहीं बोला.
didn't I?
झूठ बोलो, बार बार झूठ बोलो।
तेरे सामने निकाल कर तूने
बेबी
कहा
तूने बोला था कि सर दर्द हो रहा है, इसकी वजह से खा रहा हूँ। मेरे को नहीं
सर
बोला
दर्द
कि
ना
तू
हो
खा।
जाए। मैंने बोला तू भी खा ले।
मेरे को तो नहीं बताया तूने.
मैं तो एक्सपीरियंस
बीवी को बता दिया तूने फटाफट से.
अरे बेटे तुझे थकान नहीं लग रही क्या?
मेरे को भी नहीं बताया।
नहीं बताया. नोनू को बोला नहीं दवाई दे दे.
मैं तो एक्सपीरियंस था, मेरे को मालूम है इसकी तमाशेबाजी पहले ही 10.
So anyways, I'll take before sleeping so that tomorrow I recover. But my foot I'm worried about. I showed you all it's in a bad state. So tomorrow only we're going to make that trek. Once we are done with that, we'll come back here, and then I'll update you what is the
No, tomorrow
further
not,
up.
we're not going tomorrow. Tomorrow for sure we have to take rest.
Huh?
Day after tomorrow we'll do
If we
and
want
then
to
take the
complete it,
Gora.
then I think we have to take rest.
Okay.
No point going
ठीक
there
है.
and dying.
ठीक है. I don't have a problem. I said that you all were planning this, so I said I'll tell them this.
You just have to go one day ahead.
Because tomorrow we'll get to know how banged up our legs are. Because this now we don't know. For now our legs are fine. In the morning we'll get to know when we get up. Anyways, I'll end it here. And this is the dinner place. You can have a look. This is where we are seated. And that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll catch you.